Every beginner thinks they're missing because of bad aim. Some blame the shotgun, some blame the choke, some even buy expensive shells hoping the problem disappears. But almost every new shooter is making one mistake before the target even leaves the trap. A mistake that destroys consistency, slows target acquisition, increases recoil, and causes thousands of missed clays every year. And the worst part? Most shooters don't even realize they're doing it. Today, we're fixing the biggest beginner mistake in shotgun shooting: improper gun mount. Because if your mount is wrong, nothing else matters. Not your shotgun, not your choke, not your experience. Fix this one skill, and your shooting will improve immediately. Let's start. Section 1. Why gun mount matters. The shotgun doesn't work like a rifle. With a rifle, you carefully line up the sights and place them exactly where you want the bullet to go. A shotgun works very differently. In clay shooting, you're not aiming at a stationary object. You're reacting to a fast-moving target that may be crossing, rising, dropping, or quartering away from you. That's why experienced shooters don't aim in the traditional sense. Instead, they rely on natural pointing. Your eyes locate the target. Your body moves naturally. The shotgun follows your vision, but this only works if the gun reaches exactly the same position every single time you mount it. Your dominant eye acts as the rear sight of the shotgun. If that eye sits even a few millimeters higher or lower than it did on the previous shot, your pattern can land in a completely different place. That small inconsistency is enough to turn a perfect break into a clean miss. This is why elite shooters spend countless hours practicing gun mounts instead of simply shooting more ammunition. They know consistency begins before the target is ever called. A proper gun mount creates the same cheek position, the same shoulder position, the same eye alignment, and the same balance on every shot. When all of those pieces stay consistent, your brain no longer has to think about where the gun is pointing. It can focus entirely on reading the target's speed, angle, and line. That is why professionals look so effortless. They're not making adjustments during every shot. They're repeating one perfect movement over and over again. Simply put, a consistent mount builds confidence, and confidence breaks targets. Section 2. The biggest beginner mistake. Here's the mistake almost every beginner makes. They bring their head down to the shotgun instead of bringing the shotgun up to their face. At first, this may seem harmless. In fact, many new shooters don't even realize they're doing it. But this single habit creates a chain reaction of problems. Every time your head moves, your dominant eye moves with it. Since your eye is effectively the shotgun's rear sight, even the smallest movement changes where the gun shoots. One shot may print slightly high, the next may be slightly low, another may drift to one side. The shooter blames their aim, when the real problem is an inconsistent mount. Another common mistake is rushing, because the target appears suddenly. The shooter panics, throws the gun into the shoulder, loses cheek contact, and immediately pulls the trigger. Everything happens too quickly. Instead of reacting to the target, they're reacting to pressure. Good shooters never rush the mount. They build it smoothly and let speed come naturally through repetition. Another mistake is lifting the head immediately after firing to see if the clay broke. This habit, often called head lifting, causes countless misses behind the target. Professional shooters stay connected to the stock and continue the swing even after the shot has been fired. Finally, many beginners grip the shotgun far too tightly. They believe a stronger grip gives them more control. In reality, it creates stiff arms, restricted movement, and a jerky swing. A relaxed but controlled grip allows the shotgun to move naturally with the target. Remember this simple rule: your head stays still. The shotgun comes to your face. The mount stays the same every single time. Master that one habit, and you'll eliminate one of the biggest mistakes that holds beginner shooters back. Section 3. Step-by-step proper shotgun mount. Let's build the correct mount from the ground up. Step 1. Start with a balanced stance. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. If you're right-handed, place your left foot slightly forward. Your weight should be slightly on the front foot. Keep your knees relaxed. Lean very slightly forward, never lean backward. Balance is everything. Step 2. Eyes stay on the target area before mounting the gun. Your eyes should already be looking where you'll first see the clay, not at the shotgun, not at the barrels. Your eyes always lead. The gun follows. Step 3. Bring the gun to your face. First, this is the golden rule. The stock comes to your cheek first, then into your shoulder, not the other way around. Your head stays upright. Never chase the stock with your face. If your cheek moves, your eye position changes. If your head stays still, everything becomes repeatable. Step 4. Shoulder pocket. The buttstock should sit inside the natural shoulder pocket, not on your arm, not near your collarbone, not too low. A proper shoulder position reduces recoil and keeps the barrel stable. Step 5. Firm cheek weld. Once the stock touches your face, keep gentle but firm pressure. Don't lift your head after firing. Many beginners peek to see if they hit the target. The moment they lift their head, they miss behind. Stay connected to the stock. Follow through. Only then, look up. Step 6. Relax your hands. Don't squeeze the shotgun. Grip it firmly, but naturally. Tight muscles reduce smooth movement. Relaxed muscles improve swing. Section 4. Common mounting errors. Let's quickly review the biggest mistakes. Looking at the barrels. Always watch the target. Lifting your head after pulling the trigger. Stay on the stock. Mounting too slowly. You don't want hesitation. Mounting too fast. Speed without control creates inconsistency. Leaning backward. Recoil becomes uncomfortable. Stay slightly forward. Different mount every shot. Consistency beats speed. Professional shooters often practice hundreds of mounts every week without firing a single shell, because consistency is built before live shooting. Section 5. Dry practice drill. Here's one of the best drills you can do at home. No ammunition needed. Choose a safe direction. Start with the gun lowered. Pick a small object on the wall. Imagine it's a flying clay. Now, mount the shotgun slowly. Bring the stock to your cheek, then your shoulder. Keep both eyes open. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower the gun. Repeat. Do this 25 repetitions every day. After 1 week, your mount will feel natural. After 1 month, you'll stop thinking about it completely. This is exactly how many top shooters develop muscle memory, not by shooting thousands of shells, but by repeating perfect movements. If you're struggling to break more clays, don't rush to buy a new shotgun. Don't blame your ammunition. Don't blame your choke. Start by fixing your mount, because every great shot begins before the trigger is ever pulled. Master this one skill, and you'll build a foundation that improves every other part of your shooting. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when mounting your shotgun? Is it recoil, consistency, or target acquisition? Leave your answer in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to No Recoil Shotgun, and turn on notifications for more practical clay shooting tips, coaching techniques, and shotgun training guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.